Welcome to Da Nang, a town in central Vietnam, and more importantly, welcome to this absolutely ridiculous Kawasaki Z900. I'm gonna go down the old Ho Chi Minh Road, which is a road that was used during the Vietnam War, part of the supply chain. As you can see, this bike has a ridiculous aftermarket exhaust, but that's enough talking. Let's get on the bike and let you hear it. Here's what I meant about the exhaust. So a quick break for some morning coffee on the way to Ho Chi Minh Road. And roads like this is where you can really see how much of an overkill this kind of bike is for this country. So this bike is great as long as the road is very, very smooth, which is not the case here. It is a very stupid idea to go quick on a road like this. Used to be good up until a minute ago. It's times like this that make you question, why did you not take a dual sport when riding around Vietnam? And that is a great question. But we're back on pavement. I cannot see anything. Oh, hello. It is so humid. Quick little fuel break. This part of the Ho Chi Minh Road is much better. It's emptier. The pavement is way smoother. So this drive is actually enjoyable.